You don't need a new life. You need a reset. Because right now, everything feels messy. Your space, your mind, your time. And when everything is unclear, you don't act. So for the next 7 days, you rebuild control. One simple action each day. No overwhelm, no overthinking. Day 1. Declutter your space. Not perfectly, just enough to breathe. Clear your desk, throw away what you don't use, because a messy space keeps your mind scattered. This is where clarity begins. Day 2. Brain dump. Take a pen and write everything in your head. Tasks, worries, ideas, unfinished things. Don't organize, just empty it. You're not overwhelmed because you have too much to do. You're overwhelmed because everything is stuck in your mind. Day 3. Prioritizing and reduce friction. Now look at that list. Pick what actually matters, then make distractions harder. Move apps, turn off notifications, change your environment. Discipline becomes easier when bad habits are inconvenient. Day 4. Set one clear goal. Not 10, not 5, 1. Something you can measure, something you can act on daily, because focus beats scattered effort every time. Day 5. Pick your session. Choose a fixed time block where you go all in on that one goal. No multitasking, no switching, just pure, focused work. Even if it's only 45 minutes, it must be undisturbed. Day 6. Time blocking. Now structure your day around what matters. Give your important work a place in your schedule. If it's not scheduled, it won't happen. Day 7. Quantifiable action. Track what you did, not what you planned. How many minutes? How many reps? How much progress? Numbers don't lie. They keep you honest. This is not a perfect system. It's a real one. 7 days, 7 actions, and suddenly your life feels different. Cleaner, clearer, controlled. But only if you do it. Not all at once, one day at a time. So start today. Reset your environment, then rebuild your life step by step. No noise, only discipline.